Hello students, I am Dr. Tanmoy Biswas. I welcome you all in my channel Chemistry, the Mystery of Molecules. So today we are going to discuss a multiple choice question about this reaction. You can see this in your page, okay? So in your screen. So see, this compound reacts in presence of this condition and produces one product. So the question is, you have to find out the structure of the major product, and four options are provided in front of you, so you have to find out the right answer. As usual, I first request you, please try by yourself, and definitely at the end I shall provide you, means during the discussion I shall provide you the answer. This will help you for self evaluation. Okay, so I hope you have paused the video and tried by yourself. So let me give you another clue. Can you do it now? Just this reaction is nothing but reverse Claisen Ester condensation. Now I believe you can try this. By the way, I have already uploaded a lecture about reverse Claisen Ester condensation. If you want to learn details, please visit there. Here I will try to provide the answer as fast as I can. Okay, so let's explain the topic. See, in this case, first of all, you should know the mechanism of Claisen Ester condensation, then you will understand properly how the reverse is happening. So briefly, see, first of all, in this case a ester needed having alpha hydrogen. Generally it is better to have two alpha hydrogen, because this second alpha hydrogen is responsible for the reversibility. First alpha hydrogen is responsible for this enolate generation, okay, which will act as the nucleophile. Fine, and it will attack to the another carbonyl group, and ultimately it will result in a 1,3 dicarbonyl compound. Interesting part of this thing is that this molecule contains another active hydrogen which could be abstracted by the base, and ultimately Claisen Ester condensation ends up here. This is the product. But how we get 1,3 dicarbonyl compound? By acidification. See there, acid is essential. So why I told the second hydrogen is needed, you can see clearly. For irreversibility, Claisen condensation is reversible. For irreversibility, the second hydrogen is essential. This is the understanding number one. So the question second comes, what do we mean by reverse Claisen condensation? See, let's discuss this reverse Claisen condensation. In this case, what is essential? That two alpha hydrogen should be replaced by two alkyl group. Okay, so these are two alkyl group. Consequently, what happens? Base cannot abstract. In previous case, there was a active methylene proton which base cannot abstract this. For example, in this case, let's take base as ETO minus. So what it will do? It will attack. Since nothing is specified, so I am attacking here. So it will first attack, come back. In this way, it will open up. So what it will result? It will result, in this case, it will result a R1 COOET 1 ester, means you may consider this base part. Since I have taken OET, so this is the ester, and another thing plus it will generate this enolate R2 R3 O R4, and the minus charge is here, which will subsequently take proton from the solvent like ethanol, means ethoxide is in ethanol, so then it will result in this. So in this way these compounds are produced. So this is the base very brief discussion. Please visit the reverse Claisen condensation if you want to learn more. Fine. So what happens in this case, our case? See, this is the base, means ethoxide, and this is a carbonyl. Okay, so two option possible. One, that it can abstract proton from here and do intermolecular Claisen condensation, means carbon ion will be generated from here, means you may consider that carbon ion will be generated here and it will react with another molecule of this ester. In this way reaction proceed. Point number one. Option number two, reverse Claisen condensation. What will happen? See, this will attack this carbonyl. Okay, another thing you must know, that this is a ketocarbonyl. Okay, so this is a ketocarbonyl and this is a ester carbonyl. Ketocarbonyl is more electron deficient compared to the ester because of cross conjugation. What do I mean? cross conjugation means this one. So in this way, this resonance is responsible for lesser electron deficiency at this carbonyl carbon. Okay, so this is. So now what we can expect, what can happen? See in this case a tetrahedral intermediate will be produced at the first stage, means here this one. Now this tetrahedral intermediate have two options. One, it can come back, and since it's reversible it can go back to this reactant. Another option, it can push here and this can open. Okay, so in this way it will generate a carbanion, and actually this is a enolate because this carbanion is in resonance stabilized with this OET. Okay, so it is stabilized. Now when you break a ring, so this is actually a ring compound to a open chain compound. See, this is not ring, this is open chain compound. I always recommend try to keep the arrangement as closer as the reactant, means in this way, because this lesser distance will help you to remember what was the previous one. Okay, so what happens in the next stage? In next stage, from the solvent ethanol, if the base is taken ethoxide, this will abstract the proton, means this negative charge will abstract this proton. Fine. So what it will generate? This will generate, this is the ester. Okay, another thing, in this case this is the methyl, this is the proton, and this is the ester. Okay, see, this is the ester. Now another interesting point, look at carefully. See, this is now means it's actually ester from two sides, both sides, since a ring is converted into open chain. Now in this case only one hydrogen present, but in this side two hydrogens present. I told Claisen condensation is reversible, so from anywhere reaction can occur, but ultimately which will be the product will be determined by the side which have two hydrogen. So in this case one hydrogen will be abstracted, means this one, and what it will generate? It will generate a carbanion. Fine, abstraction, and this is nothing but this one. See, this is that carbanion, means for example this is one, this is. Now what it can do? It can attack the it can attack the carbonyl group. How? See, this carbanion can attack in this carbonyl, so it will open up, leave, and this OET should be OET. So this OET should be leaved, and ultimately see, it will again a ring formation will occur. Okay, so what will be the ring number? Just carefully look at 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 5. So a 5-member ring will be constructed because of this intramolecular Claisen condensation reaction. Fine. So what is the 5? So this, let's draw 5-member ring first. Okay, now put the number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. Now just put substitution. 1 is attached to COOET. COOET. Fine. This 1 is attached to this. Now number 2, 3, 4. Carbon 4 is attached to methyl. Okay, and carbon 5 attached to carbonyl group. This is, so this structure is nothing but, this one. See, what is the conclusion we got? That methyl, previously methyl was same side, methyl and CO2ET. Right now methyl and CO2ET different side. So this is through reverse Claisen ester condensation. So first reverse Claisen ester condensation, second direct Claisen ester condensation. But question, why this reaction comes in this stage? Why this is the product? Okay, this irreversibility achieves because see, there is another proton. Actually reaction doesn't stop here. Reaction stop at this stage, means see double bond O, this is Me, this is CO2ET, and here carbon ion, and since we have used sodium ethoxide, so it's a sodium salt. See, reaction stops here, and after, see, second step I have given acidification, then this acidification actually results this final product. Okay, so this is the, because see, this hydrogen is sufficiently acidic, this is means this is sufficiently acidic. Why? Because this is actually a active methylene type proton. So this is active methylene proton, and we know this proton has a pKa around 10. Okay, so the pKa is around 10. So this abstracted. So because this is the reason, so all other possibilities are possible, but reaction follows this track because of this irreversibility of Claisen condensation due to 2 proton, means in this place 2 proton. Okay, okay. Fine. So the answer is this one. We understood. Now the question is, if this question comes in your exam within 30 seconds, how can you solve? First of all, you need to learn this name reaction, that is Claisen ester condensation, and reverse Claisen ester condensation. I have already uploaded a lecture, please visit. Fine. Number 1. Number 2, when you see this question in your exam hall, see, this is a base and this is. Now what option possible? As I told, one is intermolecular Claisen from this side and this, option number 1. Option number 2, reverse Claisen ester condensation. But if you have read this theory properly, I think you can do it very easily. So that's the reason you should learn the name reaction properly. So now this, so Claisen ester condensation, reverse Claisen ester condensation, what it will result? You have to write this in your notebook. So what it will result? This is the OET, means this minus will attack here, this, and it will leave. So this thing you have to write in your book. Okay, this. So this is the COOET, and this is the methyl. And always be careful about the number count, means 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Fine. Now this, now when you look at this thing, see, it's a diester. In this case there are 2 hydrogen, and another thing we always learn, try to remember the condition. There are 2 alpha hydrogen, in this case 1 alpha hydrogen. So Claisen condensation is reversible and reaction completes or reaction finishes when there are 2 hydrogen. So nucleophile will generate from this side and it will attack here. Just stop here. See, this is 1. Now just rename 1 2 3, means let me write 1 2 3 4 5, again 5 member ring, point number 1. And in this case, see, carbonyl group, one part is attached to methyl, another part is attached to ester. So you don't need to think more, just click on this. So this is the product. So in this way, by 2 drawing logically, you can solve this question. I agree, sometimes you think, sir, 30 seconds is not enough, more than maximum 1 minute. So if you write with cool mind, within 1 minute you can have the question. This is not difficult, but if you know properly, you can get the answer, otherwise you may end up mistake. Okay, so this is the overall strategy. Now in conclusion, what you have learned? First of all, Claisen ester condensation is reversible, point number 1. Second, the irreversibility could be achieved due to the 2 alpha hydrogen in the ester or ketone. Okay, so ketone is a different thing, which is not this part, but since a generalized statement I told, so 2 alpha hydrogen in the ester part is essential for this. So what we have learned? First of all, a problem about MCQ about first reverse Claisen condensation, then Claisen condensation, and whole logic why this particular step is followed, not other, logical justification and complete mechanism. Okay, so this is the end of this discussion. If you really like my teaching, please share this video with your friends such that they can also enjoy the benefit. So thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed. See you in my next video. All the best.